Hi, welcome. Today I would like to discuss how you can create a custom Angular directive using the Angular CLI. And this is for Angular 2. So let's get started. So I basically have an Angular app, and in the app component, it is just displaying certain bootstrap data. But we don't really need to worry about this, and we have something in there. So let's say we want to add a custom directive on the H1, which is what I am showing here at the top. This is H1, and we want to add a custom directive to change the content of this thing. So let me just create a custom directive. So the way you do it is ng g for generate directive, and let's just call this change me. And it should just take a second, and it's going to create a directive change me. And let's take a quick look at the files as to what it did. Here you can see that it created this change me directive and added it to the declarations in the app modules. And we can basically apply this directive the way we can take a quick look at the directive. And you can see that selector for this is app change me. So let's just apply this to our HTML component here, just like that, and this should apply the directive. Uh, but one thing, when this directive is applying, it's really not changing anything. We would like to be able to change this HTML content. So I have written some code here, and I'm going to copy that, and I will show you how it works. Basically, uh, we have to import something called the element ref, and we can also import the renderer. This is a little bit more cleaner way of changing the HTML content, and this should now basically work. Essentially what happens is when the constructor is called in, it provides the current element which is being referred, but it's not completely initialized yet. So we're just going to store it in a private called el and a private the renderer. And then in the lifecycle hook, ng after content in it, we want to be able to change the property of the native element, this .el native element, inner HTML value, and we will change it to my new content. And this is how you can change it. So if you see it, you can see that it works and it's been able to change it. A quick way to take a look. I had printed in console log this native element here, you can see, and you can kind of take a look at this, and you can see what it has in terms of the various properties. And here you can see that the inner HTML is my new content. So you can do certain things with this, and if you ever need to write your own directives, this should get you started. Thanks for watching this short screencast. You can also, I'm going to put this on my website under Gore Associate under Angular 2 custom directives. Thank you for watching this short screencast, and you have a great day.